would you like to be able to grow your own salad greens all winter long? I tell you, the stuff that you get at the grocery store can't even come close in flavor and texture compared to what you get when you grow your own. In this video, I'm going to show you how you too can grow your own salad bowl so that you can have freshly harvested salad greens even in the middle of winter. My name is Linda, and I'd like to welcome you to Veggy 360, where you'll learn how to grow great tasting veggies year-round, even in small spaces. Lettuce and other salad greens are perfect for growing indoors. All you need is a bright sunny window that gets at least 6 hours of sun per day. If, however, you don't have a bright window, you can always use an LED grow light. To make your salad bowl, all you need is a good pre-moistened potting mix, a container that's at least 4 to 6 inches deep and has some holes for drainage, your favorite seeds, and a spray bottle so that you can gently water without disturbing the seeds after they've been planted. You can buy a nice decorative pot like this one. This is nice and deep, and it's wide enough to comfortably hold 7 lettuce plants. Or you can simply reuse what you have on hand. We happen to eat a lot of takeout food, and so this bowl happens to be just perfect. It can hold 5 lettuce plants, and all I had to do was to punch holes in the bottom for drainage. Or if you want to plant more plants, this is a lid from an angel food cake that we bought at the grocery store. This can hold 6 or 7 plants. All you have to do is to punch holes in the bottom. When choosing what to plant, you want to look for fast-growing leafy greens that have shallow roots, like lettuce, spinach, and arugula. These are so fast-growing that you can actually harvest baby greens in 20 days, or you can let them grow a little bit longer to 40 or 50 days and harvest the larger leaves. Green onions and globe-shaped radishes like cherry bell or the more colorful sparkler do well in these types of containers as well. Just harvest them at the baby stage if your container tends to be more shallow. To plant your container, fill it with a pre-moistened potting mix, filling it almost all the way to the top. Smooth it over so that you have a nice smooth surface, and then tap it lightly to get out the air pockets. You can either scatter the seeds randomly on the surface and then thin them out later, eating the thinnings as baby greens, or you can go ahead and plant them 3 to 4 inches apart. Lettuce seeds need light to germinate, so you want to make sure that you keep them shallow when you plant them, and then cover them lightly with the potting mix, making sure you have good contact between the seeds and the mix. Water carefully using the spray bottle. You want to make sure that you wet the surface thoroughly without disturbing the seeds. I also like to water from below just to make sure that that potting mix is thoroughly moist. Cover the container with a lid to make sure that the potting mix stays moist until the seeds germinate. Once they do germinate, though, remove the lid and move the container to a bright, sunny window. In 3 to 5 weeks, your salad bowl will look like this, ready to use in making a nice, tasty salad. To care for your salad bowl, you want to keep the soil moist but not wet. You also want to fertilize regularly with a liquid fertilizer so that your plants will grow nice and strong. When you're ready to harvest, you just simply cut off the larger outer leaves, leaving the inner smaller ones to keep growing. That way you can have continued harvest all winter long, especially if you start a new one every few weeks or every month or so. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.